everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be covering tuples and sets. Well, these are two quite similar things, but I'm going to explain the differences because they do have one specific difference. Well, let's get started. We're going to start this video off with tuples. A tuple is basically used to store multiple items in a single variable. So it kind of acts like a variable, but obviously with a couple of more letters, not just one single letter. And it's one of the 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. And I've already covered one of them, but the other 2 I will be covering later. And the second one, set, is going to be covered in this video after this. So we're going to say this tuplet to start it off, and then we're going to use normal parentheses after the equal sign, and we're going to just write another list like we did in the previous video. If you haven't watched that yet, technically I just made something like this. So I'm going to list a few different fruits this time: apple, orange, and lemon, and then we're going to close the parentheses. Now obviously we want to print this on the right side, which we have done multiple times, so we're going to say print, and then we're going to type this tuplet. Now let's press run and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, it says apple, orange, and lemon. So that's pretty much it for tuplets in this video. Now we're going to move on to sets. Now a tuplet uses the words that you write in the list in a specific order in the way you write it, but there is another thing called sets, where it makes the list of items in a random order. So all we're going to do is we're going to just replace the tuplet with set. So we're going to say this set. I know it looks a bit weird. And then we're going to say print this set. So we're going to have to retype that. And now we're going to press run and see what happens. So as you can see, it comes as apple, orange, and lemon, but the reason why it's not coming in a random order is because we have to change the type of parentheses that are used. Instead, we're going to change it to curly brackets. So after changing the types of brackets, we're going to see if it works. And so we're going to have to put that on the other side as well because it's red. That means there's a mistake. And now let's see if it works. So it says orange, apple, and lemon. Now we press run again and it will change the order, or it will stay the same either way because it's random, so lemon, orange, and apple. All in all, in this video, we have learned about tuples and sets, which are basically 2 similar things because they both have similar traits except only for one differing thing, which we have learned in this video, obviously. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye!